You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Hebrew word. There are going to be different ways of pronouncing it. If you want to learn more Hebrew and more biblical names too from the Bible, stay tuned. In Hebrew, it is pronounced as Chametz, Chametz. Now in English, it's often pronounced either Chametz or Chametz, but I would suggest to be a bit closer to the Hebrew pronunciation to replace the ch sound that doesn't exist in English with the h sound from English, and so you can say it easily as Chametz, 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 or from Hebrew Chametz. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.